Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Howdy, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
And
therapist.
together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Well, Bob, in our opinion, of course,
We have a surprise today.
a
gonna be
very
joined-
delightful prize.
Yes.
Surprise.
Surprise. We're going to be joined by someone that's much better looking than we are. And she is married to Brad. I don't know how he worked that out.
I don't either. Just a lot of luck on my part,
Yeah.
Bob. So, yeah, and we're talking about posture, and she
Right.
says to me, can you show me some exercise? I've showed him, but she wanted to show other people exercises, particularly at work, where you work at a desk. She works 10 hours a day sometimes.
Yeah.
Pull that computer and
Right.
everything, and that mouse. pulling
Sucking you over.
Yes, we've got to
So-
show these people how to correct it easily.
So what I'll do is I'll step out, let her
Mhm.
come in,
Yeah.
and let's give her a warm welcome.
Yeah, come on in, Julie.
Hey! Hey!
You don't have to stand way over there.
Yeah, you come over here. I'll get all the way.
Okay. So, Julie, you want to have a seat? You can talk to him about your job as far as what you do. Go ahead.
Right. So I do sit at a desk. I do have an adjustable workstation and chair, but as the day goes on, I tend to lean forward on the chair without good back support, and I'm constantly reaching forward to the mouse. So I kind of end up with rounded shoulders, and just not the best posture.
It's easy to forget when you're
Mm.
busy, you got people to talk to and all that. So, naturally, the therapist, the husband, I'm thinking, I got to come up with some good exercises. Actually, we've shown these exercises before, but we've never had someone who had the real problem, works with it, and here, a beautiful woman. Oh, yes. Oh, there is a giveaway this week. And what it is, sorry, dear. We have the eye massager. It's really I thought they were kind of a gimmick at first, but it actually works well. You put it over this and it massages your temples. It warms up. It has some gentle music going on. It's a nice way to put yourself to sleep or relax. So it's in the giveaway. Look below and sign up for it. Okay, so Julie, why don't you get in that position after like 9 hours and you've been having a rough day and things are kind of falling apart with your posture. And
Okay.
then you're going to remember, oh, yeah, the exercises Brad showed me. The number one is to sit up and do the W's. So she's going to go like this and pull the shoulders back. There you go. And, you know, keeping in mind you're at work, you probably don't have a lot of time, but you probably have time to do 5 of these. It'll take about 5 seconds, 1 second for each one or so. Breathe and relax. Waiting for the next patient to come in, and hopefully they're happy and not too ornery and full of pain, because that can be struggling too. Okay. Now, for people, depending on where you work, what we really like to do, an option or an addition to this, is if you have a nice squishy ball like this, and you're going to hide it underneath your desk somewhere, and when you got a minute or so to do your exercise with the ball, you just put it behind your back like this and lean into it, and now go ahead, do the same thing and arch right over it. There you go. Just make sure you don't tip the chair over. So tread cautiously on this the first few times you do it. Now, Julie, you can adjust that up or down depending on where you feel like there might be a knot in your back. Good. Even go up higher with it. Sometimes people have that up in here. So you just reach back up there, and it only takes an inch or two, makes quite a difference. There you go. Does that feel good, Julie?
Yeah, it feels much better, right in my upper back, especially.
Sure. And those are those muscles that tighten up a lot. All right. So I recommend, dear, that you do this.
Okay, got it.
Every 30 minutes, you're going to do at least 5 W's. And it's going to keep that in mind and get those muscles in front stretched, these stronger, and you're going to have posture like you wouldn't believe. Now, there is a step above that, and what we want to do is strengthen these muscles, give it some resistance. So this, you're not going to be able to do at a desk, with the exception, add some resistance. You could do this if you have, you can stay seated. You can do these seated. With the stretch band, tube band, you just go like this and stretch back. There you go. So we got the green one there. You can adjust the resistance depending on where you put your hands or the color of the band. Bob, do you have anything to say? Oh, you got your mic off, huh? Well, Bob's over there. He's talking, but we can't hear
All
him.
right, I'm back on. No, this is great.
Yeah.
She's doing a wonderful job.
And now we're actually going to show some exercises with the bands going to the anchor, or there's two options if you have these bands. When you buy the bands, you get a door anchor like this. You can put this into the door and shut the door. We're going to use the wall anchor. The wall anchors work really well. So one way or another, you anchor it to the door anchor, the wall anchor, or piece of furniture, whatever. It's nice and solid. And let's go this way. And you're going to do the W's again, Julie. Now we're going to watch. Julie's got really nice.
She's got good tone.
Yeah, she got good tone, and the stripes here kind of show the movement of her scapula.
Yeah.
Look at that. There you go. And squeeze back. There you go. You really want to exaggerate that. You're good.
Yeah, awesome.
Julie, you realize that thousands of people are watching
Great
you right
tone.
now? No, that looks really good. And you can also do about 10 to 15. If you want to do 20, you can. Do the ones where you go down and it works some of the
Yeah.
lower fibers as
Look
well.
at those triceps. Woo.
Oh, yes.
Baby.
Yep. And this is where Julie works out. We'll give the plug
Yeah.
for Burn Boot Camp.
Yeah, there we go.
That's where if you want to get all muscular up like this, you go there.
Now,
Very
I
good.
wonder, Brad, if we can get rid of you.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to retire.
Keep Julie.
Julie's going to take
Yeah.
over my position.
Right.
Very good. All right. Julie, you have anything to say?
Oh, that feels great.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
it really makes a
yeah.
difference, the resistance.
Julie's got
does.
good posture.
Yeah,
Really good posture.
right. Well, we do remind each other at home. I'll be
Sure.
sitting there reading a book, and she says, "Oh, yeah,
yeah, I
you're
gotta
right. I
remind you.
cannot say anything else but do
Yeah.
this." So very good. Thanks for coming into the first time. We've got 2 more videos we're going to do with her, though.
Awesome.
Yeah, she said she
Awesome.
would, and she's going to
Awesome
be really
blossom.
working. All right. So very
Thank you.
good. Nice job, dear.
Yeah.